Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Welcome back if you are returning and welcome if you are new. Today I have an unboxing of a luxury pair of shoes by Valentino. It's one of their classics, so if you're interested, stay tuned to see what it is that I got. So here I have the bag. It's actually not propped up. It is folded, and reason being is because I got this pair of shoes from Hawaii on a recent vacation. I'm actually from Texas, so we had to stuff it in our luggage. So I'm gonna put that down to the side. Here is my box. If you want to take a guess of what it is that I got, it's a very classic pair, like I've mentioned. It is my very first Valentino purchase, so I am excited about that. I did want to say that in Hawaii, whenever you go, they're gonna tell you that they're running a sale. What it is their taxes are typically lower than any other state in the United States, and they are much cheaper in luxury than compared to the mainland. So for example, at Valentino, it's 20% off or difference from the prices that you would pay in the mainland. All of their items do have mainland prices on them, and you just have to factor in that difference, and that would be your Hawaiian price. So for example, these are a pair of sandals, and I'm gonna go ahead and open them. So it comes with everything. Comes with my receipt, care card, some extra little studs because they are Rockstuds, the dust bags, these are the Rockstud in the color Rose Poudre. Just so that I can show you the pricing difference. Okay, so on the box, it says that it retails for $750. So I'm gonna scoot up to show you the box. So the box right here, sorry, I had acrylics and I pulled them off, but the prices here says $750 US. And then in my receipt here, let's see. And then on my receipt here, it has, you might be able to tell here. So it was $600 plus their tax, which their tax rate is 4.712. So it was the $600 plus the tax, and it came out to $628. So if you ever do go shopping out in Hawaii, just know that the prices on the actual items are not what you're going to be paying. If you are looking to buy from brands such as like Louis Vuitton, they are 10% off or less. Chanel is the same price as the mainline, and so is Hermes, and Gucci, I think if I can remember correctly, it is 10% off, or it might be 20. I think it's 10. Valentino was the one that was 20% from the stores that I did visit. And I was actually in the hunt for some sandals. I was gonna get the Bomdia sandals by Louis Vuitton that are in my wish list, but whenever I tried them on, it was just something about them. They were a little bit bulky. I had an Hermes Oran sandal on at the time, so it just looked, you know, casual versus classic, and it clashed. It didn't work out for me, so I didn't get those. So I did end up opting for this pair by Valentino, and this Rose Poudre color is one of the most famous and iconic colors from the fashion house. And quite honestly, I thought it was going to be more of a warm tone. It's actually more of a cool tone, almost like a purpley nude kind of shade. But nonetheless, I am happy that I have them because this is actually the only nude pair that I have. And looking at it in camera, it does look a little bit more beige tone, but in person, it does have more of that cool purpley undertones. So just kind of FYI. Nonetheless, they're a very nice pair of shoes. As far as sizing, I am actually a 7.5 US. I'm a true to size 7.5, which would translate to a 38. I actually got these in a 38.5. And reason being was they didn't have a 38, and this was actually okay. It was very late in the day whenever I bought them. It was close to like, you know, 6, 7 in the evening. So my feet were a little bit swollen. They actually recommend to buy shoes around that time because that's whenever you'll know if the shoes that you are buying will be comfortable even in those kind of situations. I didn't actually plan it that way. It just happened to be that we went into the store around that time and we tried on this pair. So I'm gonna do a little try on for you so you can see sizing difference and what they look like. They actually didn't have too many shoes in my size, so that's another reason why I just opted to get a 38.5 in this pair. They actually did have it in a silvery metallic with the Rockstuds being in a silver tone rather than a gold tone. It was more like a matte kind of Rockstud color, which was very beautiful. And thinking about it, I could have gotten that pair and I probably should have gotten that one as well. But being the first Valentino purchase, I didn't want to go in with 2 pairs without actually knowing how well I would wear this kind of style and also how comfortable it is. So I did opt for just the one. So Valentino is a brand that does offer sales on some of their seasonal items. Whenever I did go, they didn't have a sale, but if they did, I can just imagine I probably would have gotten these for close to maybe 50% off compared to what the price is on the mainland, even at the sale. So that would have been awesome if I would have had that opportunity, but I actually didn't go during a sale time. But it is one of the only fashion houses that do offer sales. So if you are interested in these kind of shoes, just kind of look at whenever they do their seasonal sales to see if you can score any in your size. Typically they do like a funky color, like maybe like a yellow or a red, not so much the black or the white or this particular nude shade, because of course those are some of the classic ones from their fashion house. But nonetheless, if you do have this pair of shoes by Valentino and you enjoy them or you hate them, let me know what that feedback and experiences for you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.